What doesn't for Asante? A job of Yano, Yamaka to him. Master, I to my general, women of why Obio at the last time? One proponent, the Young, the Tano, Opponent of a guy. The Tato Asante, Bonipa would be as a Brony and I talk of the Faco. Obana say, who soon Yason, and say that you may be two. And yes, they could send a fake man court. Walk I almost say, I'm passing for you. Bonipa that we be chill now. Bonipa, the Bonfire that we be chill now. What would I put contra? Or more matter, contra, America, contra.
Nice GA. Nice GA.
Obviously, say emre no akọ yes say after say a year work ni we no mintimi be kasa e sense na ma bre pa nemu e was say breadru am sorry see was ba na ibidi nkomo and nyoma be bre ko so during the work asante wodom work no nyoma be bre the course na like amafo twi ne srani abasa yes people didn't understand what we did but when him say Ghana, that's Ghana for you and I say yes that's Ghana for you. Yeah, people may not like to involve themselves, but after program no successful, I feel no person where they omofa who news ekoka. Minim say yeah work no nyankonton TV wa ma ho, but you yeah the wafa videos be bra posting near there. More media houses be bra but omofa videos ni be bra omo kan wasem. People call me interviews near there. Oma amade but interview the draw person omo ka bibi because me hu say ade na yeah are you successful? Nti obi a person ka ho bibi obi aso person no so didi ho bi sa pepepe ene tie na so afi na ya sha say this is just the beginning akese ni pa ya baba be de ebeba na over the week and some be in the course na me de sha say na me de sha say fi boko say you are starting boko insensem no from Tuesday sa de ba ya be Thursday so yeah work time I work na you are finalization of boko incidents na say boko peace street no sha say oye. It was massive. You are there. I'm a calm. Like now, no team say there's a calm. Yes, deep and strong calm. Be about elbow. After say you got say or started to see, what say unti did be out. That is the power of you. I am can once. Yes, now maybe come back. Can't say beach low. Maybe drop a video. Be a catch will say, and son of British. And I say British and US Army no and sana or more ever pass it out. And this so much study how our Santi. It's so just know how formation no man no war or people didn't understand me. Recently, who said yeah British Army no abba you now so not because of person over name because of the omesciency. Me na me drop video in the first. By a man for him because I did be able to be can was gidi me na me shasi. Me na me de exclusive ne bre one son will be able to be I can once. Me na me catch say the British never saw royalties until they met the Ashantis. And I'm actually book actually say British, ever pass it out. It will army more. So how Ashanti fought, how their formation was, how they did it, and came out victorious before. Into yeah, and I this news in the drop here. Who the team?
Ntade a na no dress ya eno ne asante asogafo ntade a no de kunti obi aso nkunim no tade no hwehwe di obi aso nkunim enei yesi so obeye soja e wo UK obeye soja e wo America obeye soja wo ba bia gise usua asante soja kwan mo fa aso kun ya ansana ya pass out so se me boa ti
I have one thing to say. $1,000 die, 1,000 will come.
So what can you say about Shani, man? Like Shani?
I like a Shawnee. I like a Shawnee.
So what can you say about Shani?
They're strong warriors, strong warriors.
What can you say about Shani? What can you say about Shani?
I want to meet the Shawnee King. He's a strong warrior.
He's a strong warrior, just like you, just like American soldier, right?
The British never saw royalty till they saw the Ashantis.
Or say British never saw royalty until they met Ashanti. One thing I said to you.
The British never saw royalty till they saw the Ashantis.
What can you say about Shani and the British,
The Ashanti beat the British, man.
Yeah, so Ashani are brave warriors, just like
great
Americans.
warriors. Yeah, just like Americans.
So you're proud to be a Shani?
Proud to be a Shawnee.
Bruni na kwesi Bruni kwesi koko say we proud to be Ashanti. And me bisa say are you proud to be Ashanti? Are you proud? Mo Ashanti say mo hiam.
When do you want to go Ghana?
I don't know. When I get done with my IIT.
You go in Ghana? So when you want to go to Ghana?
Soon.
Soon?
I had to put that beret on.
ɛna ɔte aba no bɛyi sɛ wo sɛ meka wobɛka sɛ ɛyɛ akɔyɛ no no ɔbɛka nsɛm a ɛnim wote no ɔma no sɛ wankasa ate wɔ aborɔfo no no ɔm sɛ Ashanti soldiers is the best ɔm pɛ sɛ ɔmba na ɔmbɛhu ɔm de ɔmani bɛhu deɛ yɛakyerɛ ɔm no nti nyɛ me na meka nti bɛserɛ ɔbɔ mmɔden ae ne kyerɛ nkoraa ne sɛ wei ne adeɛ a ɛnananom hyɛɛ ntaade a ɔmohyɛ de di obia so nkonim a ɛnnɛ wobɔ Asante din a na obi ɛdwane no ntaade no no ɛni sogya ntaade a ɛdii kan baa wiase piao.
Yes, I feel what today. I feel reasons in here. It was say where they who follow me all the time. One reasons in here say what tea. Some neighbor now tea or baby and me make kaya. It was all time to cool now tea and me cancer. This is what I mean. The recent year British when you buy video and that chance on buy you or any other. Only see idea kakra. They didn't send me to ja. A church and some said oh the yenti kakra.
In Kumasi and at the Royal Palace. I bring with me today a cohort from the Advanced Command and Staff College, Course 28. They have been visiting Ghana to find out where Ghana sits and the importance in the region for Ghana and why it's so important to the United Kingdom. We've had a look at and been privileged to meet ministers. We've met the chiefs of all the three services, and we've met the Defence Committee, and we've now had the opportunity to come to Kumasi to meet the General Officer Commanding, General Puku, and have a cultural visit to learn more about the history of the region. We humbly request that Your Majesty is able to give a few words to the students and advice for us as British, and we will listen upon his words and take heed.
I welcome you to Kumasi on this visit. It gladdens my heart to see you here in the palace. Sure. And I'm sure they must have taken you to the museum and other places in Kumasi to see where we are. So, looking at you is just like looking at my army officers who are here. So, General the General Officer Commandant and his people are similarly doing the same things as you do, looking after us, protecting the country, and then to make sure that there's peace within our borders and everything. So we on our part are also making sure that our people live in peace, and therefore trying to make sure that peace evolves everywhere in the part of Ghana. So, you know, Ghana is democratically elected. We elect our leaders and everything, but we need peace to develop. So my duty, together with the traditional authorities, to make sure that there's peace everywhere. So, and therefore, we make sure that we adjudicate over issues when there are conflicts in communities and everywhere, so that the government would also can have peace to do its diplomatic work. So that's exactly what we also try to do. We support the government of the day to make sure that, like a development catalyst, so that we make sure that our people have development and then have peace in relation to education, in relation to health. We do as much as possible to complement what the government does. But Ghana is a peaceful country. Democratically electing our presidents, elections come and go, but fortunately we've been able to sail through all these issues, because if there are any issues, there are elders like us who would also be able to complement it by talking to the politicians to calm down. So fortunately, when we speak to them, they listen, and therefore we've been able to move through as it is time. A true example is what happened in December, where we had elections and proper handing over and everything. So, in a nutshell, we live in a peaceful country where the rule of law, constitutionality, the rule of law is most important to everybody. Human rights are also very much respected and everything. We are here, the west coast of Africa, and then in the Sahelian. That is where our concerns were. But I believe our soldiers here have been doing the best to maintain our borders and security for us. Recently, there has been some communal skirmishes in the upper top of the range of Ghana, where closer to Burkina Faso. But we are doing every effort to make sure that we have peace in that area. So it didn't allow for the penetration of terrorism and everything to come in. So fortunately in Ghana, I can assure you that we've been blessed with humility, understanding. Each one is her brother's keeper, and therefore we move on. Tribal wars are not here because we all live. Religious wars are not here because if you're a Christian, if you're a Muslim, if you're a traditionalist, you are respected. Everybody accepts that, and we live in harmony and everything. So that is exactly what we are doing. I have confidence in the armed forces; they are doing very well, but they need support also, equipment and funding and everything. Funding alone cannot. When they have to go, when we call them up, for example, some of the equipment that they need. I know Britain is also going through some tighter moments, but you do better than us. So we need the support. The training and everything is one, but the equipment are also some of the things that will require to support them in their training and everything. So we thank you, and I believe strongly that during your tour of Ghana, you've seen so much, you've been told so much, you've gotten to know the history and everything. So we thank you for coming. And you always welcome to come to Kumasi anytime that you want. Thank you very much for this afternoon.
Yes, which is seminar course now. These are the things I can once a month. People don't get it. So what I say? People don't get it. You can't say, "Unse, what she said, you buy na miss ya dear, the person which you as what and what's in me. Now, so my baby, Muba, you. A month will be a much. A month will be because after work, Prince Charles and another King Charles, I send this to your father, so more boys and take no one to which is in one bomb. In one bomb. When him say you walk no trigger a whole lot of things. Yes, this is Asante for you. Impose a nipa bako and a nipa 5 people in a core walk on. The impact is massive. The impact is very, very massive. People don't get it. Impact and I know this is what we call the power of Asante. Sapepepe energy. Now, may 27 so the amawa. I may found more walk in. Some say, Honum and nipa be brave, no one said. Yes, na ansana meko work no so medical catch us Asante die ofa fomu a obehia no asakire ne se e nananum e de omogya twa omogya etwitwa won honam egu asase ne so se de be ya asase no e beji Asante atom e beji Asante ade atom ofa soro abehia Asante asakire ne se ye nananum sika ewuate so anase akonya ewuate so no ye nananum agi free soro ye okonfa no chi obiri konfo agi free soro mu soro ene de bre ye nti na ofa soro a na wo hia Asante ofa bonkum ofa nifa be hia Asante adentia esan said ye nananum free bonkum nifa ne kabo mu e mu Asante abe di wo ti sapepepe ne ti nti na be bia be fe bia wo be hia Asante sapepepe ne ti na me to aso a work no was massive. It was massive. I'm saying this because said you know sit here. Yeah, impact, you know, and a ginger me, and motivating me a lot because a whole lot of media personnel are framing for interviews near the other. Which seems the impact is massive. Impact is massive. It's share from work when you start say yeah, they bunny ade. Yes, Nana Sabin Kunsa, Nana Ima Sabin Kunsa, Ekasaye. Na o church nsemu ebi mo friend the new Asantwa also again won say because said you see kasa from start to finish yenti kakama
Intimate consongo kwa kase Koran baby da onto no de pa ko chodi yeso Koran ya cherie sana na na me se wa so to me ya sa Bible no space be ho eto ko chodi yeso Bible ya cherie eti amamre nya manya na na me ya de to obi anya na start obi awie fine akoso ko ni oni Asante ko ya no wono na de kata and the trade ya try yes as asante your mind. One more to be asante. I was really that yes, asante when some people some your put remember that you put up for fun begin time. It was sorry also the asante many players of no. Especially your good stay your body and anonymous say. So was get a tassel yeah. What be the other sorry. Not to come less to for. That's me the cassette yes and my dear. And the other one of my home. Yeah, catch us some of us. One next one moment and over Mr. It will be a terrible. Yeah, 2 more 4 years to play it. I catch that about it. Yes, one of the for which is 4 years before, or you are for the 2 will be. I can't tell it. Who's on the floor? You won't be said baby. What was said to up yet? The stuff was super went to me as I said yesterday. If you know a look at it, it's who you're permanent on so you do this. Now, when I pray men somewhere, you see a foul, what you are going to do, come there with your job and foul, who couldn't do so will be to now so the trauma and fire, and yet your power with a trauma. Yes, until you are doing it, it says, yes, until you are doing it. I don't hear and your mother. Again, I sent Ghana. Again, I sent Santiago. Yakata was the motion here. Yes, yeah. Who must have the report? Who must have the report? James said that you confirm not to be a or confirm not it. And what one I said to man, it's a man, that's Santiago. I sent it to be a theater. Asante bako ya asante. Besi asante be free food to me what my brother just so. And to be to me first asante. It's a good start. The year pay. You need to be asante. And now what is come and I guess so.
Yes. Afi utie kasa no yeba beduru menhia. Yebe duru menhia. Na yebe duru menhia no a whole lot. A whole lot. Amanfo be expressive on grief. Amanfo be expressive on malice. I won. Was almost letting it out. Manfo be a church and simu. Now, your mammy for interviews in movie. The Eddie come and free a penny back of so a jawsu the gong, a jawsu the gong. You're fighting starting for no so. Now, into us.
Yes. Ebi a wukusu okwa na ebi a manfo be mu empani se wukusu no numa na ate kankan asam no amemo ana mo no bo so mu sai asante kese be obi a ye o ko mo ku ato da me ka tese me nyina wo se mo ka tiro sante no wura sante bu me se bofu a me se me wa asante na so asum je wura jai bi enti wo ye wo ni kese yes me nyina say at the bread. I think it's a Asante Yavi. Who come in into my side? In the boy side. Listen, one. Say to your person, or say you're from Ethiopia. Only in Libya. You are not prepared. Every amount of problem, that you are one mutilation of Sunday. We are born in summer Utopia. The people, and you will be on farm. You are born, I'm a kind of. Obiam Sakai. And some of them are Paka, Apasaki, Apayra. I tell you, you say, I don't see a brilliant. They are some people, they are Kosa, they are some people, a some people, they are Kosa. They are Papa. But then I am Kosa. Cafe was it. And to what we see better. Yeah, only such a kind of when you see the my coming and now I'm more soon for 2 months. Never mind, what you say? They are bravo, they are bravo. Second to Babu, there's a come and find Jencha Tampako, and Churchinguma, and Formation. That's what I'm doing. I'm okay. They push you. What's the more side of batch? Yeah. I know what when you're sent for yes, and quite I know what when you're the guys. The first half of one person. Welcome, Yassimen, young body. Yassimen, you know. Yes, come here, Masante. Why Masante? Why Masante? Yeah. Yes, in Masante. I got some down. But you go for Australia. What you say? And you want to see young body. Yes, what I got to know. They are good, sir. They can't take your body. Yeah. What's the much I say? How much I say? Secretary of Justice. Yes. And I remember her. You were, or you so, that was. What you say? That was. And she said to be on the Baba the Sabian number, you put up so with you. Most of the answer only the bada, it was what does it? Now we have an aniaba. My phone, you bet persuaded. Right, that's what my own don't know what I necessary. I got the problem. Now, what government is there? I don't know people of the world. Now, more Santi of them, when you put that, you move the Abaso. Yeah, much less Asante, your woman. Also, Adia, I am very pathetic. And I say, Adia, that would be 777. I bet you was in the Says it, and I say, all the Yami. And yet, oh, if you have an assumption, where you assume work, your boy. You say, Obia, why you want to say, who make it as something out of there? Nana, oh, yeah, never cook on a man. It's yet, I would say, a Kubia was your a Kuna was your woman and Nano. Yabaco, young virtue, young Vatican, young bad guy. Then, Yabaco, Pata Papio, Yadam. Pata Papio, Yadam Ras and a walk. And Rao Coma, the yeah, Yabaco. Oh, no idea. Your platform, but thousands of it. Yeah, or be a better for us to yes. Wouldn't does at the end of Regana. Wouldn't does at the end of Regana. Move a vesicle out of Regana. No matter how to say, you. Apart from your work, after work with a bit of your our Ghana, a bit of your and so we don't put the so no dear what a bit of you. We don't make us a bit of you. And then no make us a bit of you. Now, dear, it's here. Young India says here. Young India man, who's more as a couple. Who don't you bet you from? Oh, Lama, send a million guys. The moon to die. I said, young, come on and tell no one. Yanim. Say, I'm now from I'm not yes, you for man, how you see, as I told them about us, yes. And dear Bia near Santiago, young, the best. And dear Bia near Santiago, young, the best. Let me get your Bia with you. If you are seeing now, make up with Bia to say, Mama Santa Wundon. Mama Santa Wundon. Of him, so, said, I will probably I can make us an argument. So, of him, so, oh, probably, if you are seeing now, you were too for also. Or two for also. I will let you go on. And you want to for us as is, I want to force us to have you. I don't find it. I took for him, you look at the audience. I took for Marco, and I will tell you for about to you didn't need any man. You're talking to me, you're just as if you're going to think for sake of the field. I'll talk to you. Only yes, or two for. I want you to go baby on the water. Put away as a baby. What I do for you as a baby? What you do for you as a baby? Yes, oh, two for me and yes, as you do. I owe two for my and a was as you. You're unfortunate matters on your two for honor. Or beyond you and yes. Apart from honor, you two for my as you. One of it is a watch you are not as a sabi. Who keep come that you so how would you have come? They can't tell Nana makes the body. Some of them must be so Nana Uda. A Kumbia as I'm told them. But your family doctor says, none of your president as I'm told them.
Maybe na kwasi broni antumi na ani asie na kokodo be na chenwi e kaso da na wo ya abo bi nyuane acheche de ono kopo na oda so we ya no aka ne kwato ho oso wonwene hwe sa na mte na be ma ne hwan mia me na sa me fra me ho na manye me ho na ma wo me be ma ne mia na sa ne mi kofi aba na be kwade ntokwa ne to atwade a na me ye den woni ade wo mane na maji wasi me na so wo ka mu se ya de wo mane na maji wasi me na so na sa wo se wo te wo ho a e de sa na no wato ho na akọ ye de se ye yemfa ye de ho ye na obi enti ye se ye mobo dabi ye nikro na ne miayam ekuro to ye nikro na ne miayam Ni corona. Ni amiayam. Na obi a mi kura tutu me hu a me se be producer. Me nya da aja me di mi na yam kakra beto ma na me di be mi. Me ni corona na me amiayam.
Ohu ahi o.
Eso me mfa ho. Me yesumie. Wo mo akun wo dem adofo akun wo dem nya me te so me nkasa. Ukọ kofodua so a ukọ asia ono ma ba kono na so se ya wusu man. Ti kofodua asia somebody so ya wusu man. It is a bit when you are almost going to observers are worried, participants are happy.
Okay.
I said it. So something can be no be so about Santia. No, dear Santia in Befam. That was it when you crowd for anyone to me and your from there. And then another me as Mr. Concon. No one can eat me and Canimum. No one frano. Yan Quadia Samoa Samado. No one yet dancing you as so. Na and Canany was Samado. No one said the city. Nano Dagon to Quaboc, Quanem, and Adam, and a Quabaco, because one and they were abakwasem opese na ye abakwasem foforo eso na hisu ni atwawie abakwasem de obi anya wanyawie asante hisu ye nyawie eti na adoma he ne pese enei wono so ye abakwasem foforo ade de wiase foforo beba na besie se wiase foforo no se potogifo ne na so mo je fa hudie na so woni akwasibro ntumi konkode de ona no obagina ni monyam eti na mekwa akotoko he na se bi beto nani wo ko amane no na me hwe se nka wadie enka doma he ne be ya fasikwa na nko akọ siesie no wodi agina ni monyam eso we ntumi amidi ne abura so hema na de bi nkonse oba tie awia bom mu me hu ahiso me hu
pia
oba tie awia de abom mu
wadaruma de ne wo tiri mu anti ene wa bresa
asantema hodo odo de wo se o bible mu nti ya asantema hodo ne asantema tumi atimi mu ene asantema ni mu onyamba timi mu ene asantema nyansa wa mfa nkameme na odi amma me ne asantema kan ye dame so amehyiran te sansomanti na me de sa kokodo no e kosa asumdie kasa kirewe nya bibia e asantema hodo.
Yes, ejawusu na uti no uti ejawusu na ne abiri papa pesa sa nyoma na e course ne so eto ye de etwa to kasai aye the new year asantewa na nan ma de bi kunsa eso kasai won se no mo kan de to me di akiri ama me asofo bi kwa afre me sa ade na ye koye wo konfa no kye no impact na no odin nti o si efi esan se ade na ye koye no ahon wasum na nanu wasum ebe ye adwuma edifo ni bi se mo frɛ me ka kye me no wo TV mami.
Hello. Mr. Niceman, me pacho what to say. Where the nyamiasi. Me na ya me frɛ no di nkomo ana. Bibi abonye fo na shisha fa sentiment ya me frɛ ka kire no. Me ka se fi akra. Mr. Niceman. Adena ye nyina egina sentiment ma ye no. Matro challenge ama nsuo na honhom ne nsuo na honhom na sɔre ade na moyɛ no ma monye ne sɛ mudi dia moyɛ nsa agudi bible sima yɛ nso ne sa ka meso ya mo nsa asma me ka jesi midi agoro moyɛ ade ne nra first me na sunsun ne die motwe nsuo ne mpoa motwe nsuo na honhom mpoa na omasɔre obasure ni breso papa beti mo amoye sa ade no sebi eye se mi nka ho me ka ho but mo amudi ani mo amugina ma asantema no mo so mo ye bibia mo nye careful e fo mo asante no ti se nsuo so bi nyamo nsuo na sɔre kitikiti ndua ene mframa asɔre no ene nsuo asɔre no basa na ya mo kasa na mu yi asofo so firi mu no na adifo firi mu no asante ma na dawo no ye nyina ka ho na ma asante ya asante on sa ade akoye no enyo ebi fa yo konfu bi to be ka chi
Afi what you say. So this is the power you can want some people don't get it. Because ye kwoti na nanu anye bibia ye bia ya kwoti na nanu anye. See asemi. So this is the things that ya me can want some people don't get it. Omu say Kofu Ikura, how did they do it? Sapepepe. Na ekuakuo bebre so be kan ye ho. Ebe joining, you know ma, ebi asantima pepepe. Asantima pepepe ye ko bi omu ti no Italy. Omu be joining, omu asini bi e wo Ghana, ebe joining, it was massive. Na me no omu ye interview kakra, be say yenko tie interview no. Na ye ba ɛbɛto aso deɛ ma yɛtie no
Ewa abusua, o sɛ ɛnɛ yɛ asante wɔdɔm wɔ. Nanso yɛn nuanom a wɔkyerɛ ne maame ne papa no a wɔfɛfo yi. Ɔmo nso yɛ asantema pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛ. Ɔmo de animuonyam ɛbɛtaa yɛ akyi sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ nkɔsoɔ no ayɛ kɛse. Yɛpɛ sɛ yɛdi nkɔmmɔ kakra gu sɛ ɔmo tayɛ, ɔmo ti ɛne sɛdeɛ ɔmo bɔ bere teɛ. Nti yɛdi nkɔmmɔ, nti mɛsrɛ wo, ma yɛmmrɛ no ani nkɔmmɔ. Wei dɛ ma mo nyinaa akɔ aba. Yo, okay, well, my Mr. Prince Open also. What that room, Asantuma, and I say, Asantuma Pepe, like my son is say, a dent in Asantuma Pepe.
Yo, I was here for a day, a Niger Dapa, a day, Niger Dapa, Sunset, a day, I Gina Hay, Asanti, Ania Santi, Ania Santi Cotopo, Ania Papa. Now, and the woman is a quay. Ni tianka se fiamanone otumfo se open so ni ntina ekuyi ewo ho na yewura na nansa kofa bai onu na ekuyi si ni sere so o wa manone na eto na kuma so se asante eni asante ma dachi hia no eno nti otra se huru se esese wo boaboa ne manfo ele na santi man ai wo amanoni nyina wo wo ano na omo ye baako na titiri wo no se de be ya wo mo manchi anyira de ye waka ma ya tie ne se ye odi na ni tu fem ohu ye ne se asante ma e wo amanoni wo no bebre wale aman wo so ema enti ohu se bedu bedu no one asante man for ma echibeyira eti otrase wo se e de na se wo mo pa wo mo wa no na wo mo mani ti be ware wo mo ho no mo ti mi samba wo mo echi e wo mo man asante man mu ha e to mo tra
That is all that you always the young team of the person. Essence, all here said you are percent Asante, a pay any behavior Asante near Sasa and money to Mupono.
Said ye yewra edi ba kraka se ma wasante ho nya dai ehia enuti yewra na na ansa for bai onu express wo se esese wo kwakwa asante fu nyina ano e wa manoni ho eti won wo shase e ko no esi ho na wo transe ado ho se wo be ya de no ho na ka meka ho a na se ti mo ko no e pay eti wo transe wo se e de na se wo tre e ko no mu e ma e bi se fa Ghana o yi mu ya asante man mu ha na eti bi ma e ko no ti mo kwa wo fa no e bi ba mu e bi pay eti se si a mi gina me kase asante man pepe ya ye wa e wo te ko Ghana ye ko well obiya goni bi wo ko America se si a wo benya asante man pepe ko yi e bi wo ko Israel wo benya asante man pepe ko yi e bi e wo UK e bi wo Italy e bi wo Belgium kese e kamere se the whole world the ko yi bi e wo ba bia
Pincho, memoir to us, I'm Mammy, what you said, the papa, so I was never to be in so. Oh, yeah, Asante, my baby, Madame, so near this, and it's a good news here to come from. We shall say now, can I say, Grandson, I don't know, yeah. Or Ghana memo as if I told you. Ọmọ agbèjì lọmọ ó bẹ ká tí ọmọ náà mú so ọmọ ntì àfẹnà ọmọ ntì à ọmọ bẹ tí ọ̀nà mọ because díẹ̀ náà ẹ̀sùn fún òfin oúnjẹ wọn sọ ọmọ bá rẹ.
Mẹ́ta wá sí bèbè ẹ mà mẹ́ta wíwá sí mẹ́yìn náà tó wá sí fẹ́ àsàntì má bẹ̀bẹ̀ bẹ́ yẹ mi nfaso bí a mi bá a so àná mo àpò àmì kúrò ayé mi ká sẹ́ ẹ̀ mú ẹ ti sẹ́ nnẹ́ yẹ̀hwẹ́ yẹn nuanom ní yẹn mma kasafin ne kasatante ẹ wọ ọma nọ nọ ekura wọ ebi nim yẹsu asante amammerɛ ne n'amanneɛ etietie yɛ nananom anabɔ mu pɛsɛ ɛnkane ka woforo kaa na akora ate mu a ohu wa no asɔre no aho atena ase ɛnɛ wɔ hɔ saa anaa ɛnɛni hɔ ɔmaame kora bɛka kyerɛ sɛ tena ase matua asasema pɛpɛpɛ yɛ yɛne yɛ mma ne yɛ nananom yɛte saa meforo kaa me megyina hɔ yi na meforo kaa ne ho sɛ ne maame pɛ mu wɔ berɛ a mɛsɔre ama no atena ase ne nyinaa kyerɛ nteteyɛ a edi akotene kɛseɛ ɛwɔ asanteman mu yɛn na ɔsɛ epia mekɔdina ɔmo ase And just a funny yes, you get the Asantuma pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛ eti na ɛfɛ yɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛ yɛhia asomdue bebree yɛhia dɔ yɛhia nkabɔmu yɛhia koroyɛ yɛpɛ wɔ ti mi waka mi yɛpɛ yoga na mmom nipa no bi ɛti atua dodo ɛnea nso adeɛ ne dɔɔso adeɛ mmuo ne dɔɔso kyɛ sɛ ebia wɔkyi ne kora do ano bɛkɔ no soɔ no baabi a wɔabɔ ne bere akɔdɔ no sɛbi ɛnyɛ ade sɛbi ɛsɔn ase fam wɔbusua panyin bɛda no ɔmɔ ɔka abira no nso wɔkasa a ɔnwene ho nti ne kanfo kue ama ewiase afa na nyinaa sɛ asantuma pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛsua biribi yɛn nyinaa yɛsua deɛ yɛ etwa mu a ne yɛ num na nnɛ yɛsa abere akɔfa ne yɛn nyinaa yɛsua biribi afiri mu titiri yɛn kasa yɛsi yɛsrɛ sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ yɛn kasa ɛbɛbɛ nya ɛbɛdi mu na adu baabi a yɛwɔ sa mpa yɛasetew yɛanyɛ asɔ.
Okay, na mama me ba ofufu. O se eye maami akegbe mama so akegbe. Na me pese me bisa se o se wa kan kwanhwe se wa kire omo a omba na me pese me bisa se asantema pepepe ye. Mo ti mo bo ene se dia me si money so from now to be 5 years old.
Mada etiefo nyinaa sɛ mama da wasi asantema pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛ amanɔne Ghana Foundation yɛkyiri mu pɔ yɛ sɛdeɛ yɛreka no ɛnteteyɛ a yɛbɛtete yɛ ma ne abusua ama yɛsua kasapa ɛne yɛ papa bi a yɛsi yɛsua ɛne amammerɛ ne amammerɛ ɛne yɛbɛtu yɛn ho asi hɔ sɛ yɛbɛtumi akɔ nnaduafie nom ne yɛakɔ akɔsrasra wɔn ɛyɛ yɛn de so ade hunu a ɛsɛ yɛyɛ sɛdeɛ yɛn a nana otumfoɔ ne bɔ ne di anam akoto ɔde ne ho asi hɔ sɛ wɔbɛtu ne ho asi hɔ no waboa ɔnibiefoɔ ɛne wɔn a wɔn hia bie school a wɔn atoa so ɛne mo a ɔboa wɔn no saa na asantema pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛ yɛn nso yɛtu yɛn ho asi hɔ yɛdi nana otumfoɔ nana mo akyi ɛna yɛdie na yɛayɛ deɛ ɛsɛ wɔyɛ ne bi na yɛnhwɛ sɛ obi biara nso de nana anim bɛtwitwiri fam saa berɛ a yɛwɔ mu yi deɛ asanteman yɛne abrɛ enti na ekue ne nyinaa ka ho yɛntena hɔ sɛ obi mfa nana anim twitwiri fam ɔmɛka sɛ ntia nana ne yɛnyina hɔ ne yɛhwɛ no ɛno deɛ nyɛ adeɛ a asanteman yɛbɛma na si bie mu da enti yɛgyina hɔ sɛ yɛbɔ otumfoɔ nana akyi dɔm yɛbɔ nana akyi dɔm ne ade obi bɛyɛ ne bi a ɛbɛtia no bia nana ɔsɛ wɔyɛ din nana ntumi nkasa yɛ na yɛse yɛkoma no ne ma yɛwɔ n'akyi yɛ na yɛse yɛko.
Yes, so asantema pepepe for now no uti omo kano. It was massive and it was beautiful for our sisters and as our brothers to join us. It was massive and it was beautiful. People were like, hey, so I'm not forgetting me Benny. They did well. Omuti ade ba akwa ma me bo asantema pepepe for na ba so ne say. Omuti asem no a day before the program. It was not even a day, a night before the program, but they did what they could. Joining him and Emma Mubabe explaining things further. It's a dear Bakwa, make games as Santama Pepe for the Yamishamu. Oh, yeah, dear, Mudin Papa joining money. And it was beautiful to see our sisters, our mothers, our brothers joining us in this kind of act. Moya, dear Yamishamu. Yamishamu, pa, only Mukasi Copim Bekesepa. I na me to answer me so her work now. And you be brave, of course, so near there. Yeah, hear him. I'm on for the basic training. You know, as a fire, abe kasa. You didn't see I am feeling here. Say, oh, yeah, mumma yemre. As I say, don't worry. Oh, don't worry. It's not me bomb video be our Martini na the omu yen mehuni na me na me bomb video because they don't need my platform. They don't need to be on my platform. They don't even have what it takes to be on my platform. Ntinya de bia so so. What I say. Sabe eti o hwɛ sɛdeɛ yɛabɔ mmɔden ayɛ work na ma asantema yɛagye atom no a ɛnyɛ obi nsɛm a wɔbɛkeka ne bɛma yɛyɛ ayɛ yɛabafo wate ase ɛsiane sɛ they thought sɛ yɛntumi nyɛ but yɛayɛ na mesɛ aberanteɛ baako a ɔteki anaasɛ ɔteki adeɛ no by storm anaasɛ aberanteɛ baako a ɔno no kyerɛ sɛ na it's unexpected na yɛ expect no but all of a sudden yɛhu sɛ tu no sɛ akɔm and utie ne nsɛm ɔde to dwa it was just say ɔde yinti no
konka ne ko e fit tete no ye na abo broni mi am kada broni kwa nya konka no enye wo broni kwa no so wa da o tumi ko to ye konka no o lo nche o tu chama e entinya asante nya go na ka to asante broni kwa o yin sta da ko fi no asante broni ye la so ko be fa ko oba ne se wo so nya so e se da du be bitu ene edi ko si ene di fake man ko wo ka o mu se na pa sa for ye ye easy broni kwa ye da du bitu now broni kwa ro du broni kwa ye da du bitu now wo de o ye kontra o mo ma ta o mo ye kontra me ka ta o mo ye kontra broni kwa da du bitu now wo pa your mind broni o ye ka o ye play o be so onu je broni kwa ya da du bitu now enye wo tankwa wo konko why omo yes and omo ye konko ma me omo ye toast ma me do jam omo ye toast
Apanya ni pa chow
ata the former mama fast the phone go omo la mama fast the phone go la tan po ye je ho check but that some wo ba ko no be yes ka wo da dem le chow ka dem le chow ka wo da the phone what that's and for asante job of piano na me count ya me beto me basa tuma ya na won woni be na mo me nya to ho e ba sa no mo ya why obi o da na wa popo na te do be ya me ka no kwa chaw o popo ni chala o be gai ha me my chi the whole Ghana me ni wo ba kwa no mo so o mo ya mo ti ya tem am so mo pe ni pe yi asante won so ko abobo a ma obi pepe ni e no ajo obi asase wo so ma na to ade o enso wo asatili ta ha yo koko wo pon wo bi sa o ma no to ade o ha pepe ni o feel cover wa le yanku pepe ni wo so ma wa jili 30 million ano so be 50 million wo so ma no to ade o pa yen ko abobo e sia ko wo tu nipa no nipa ti fe onye adwani ni eye masa je be foka ko na ko chaba asase je be foka ko na me be se ko me ko chaba asase wo tu nipa no nipa ti fe onye adwani eye wo ko ni a wo do free do wo be tu obi sa wa ni enye adwani ko na wo tu wo se ko to adwani ko do nya bi mas man be mas am ba to wo ka we me se me do ko mo ka chabo mai
Enya asem kita no wa hiti pa. Ni abre epeso mu defend asante. So this is what we talk about. See, among for there is a whole lot of malice in people's hearts. I don't person more letting out. This is one of them. Yes, and it was massive. It was very, very massive. Na ebiem no ye na be aseda eni kabia e man na no. Ah, mo supporting obi bia support say. Na me hira mu nyina. Omo mo yes obeba o mama. Na me hira mu. Omo na mo feel say ade na e ma so enye yenu. Ah, o mentimi ama mo so na me hira mu. Say de be ye ja money wo ti no. Next time ye ya beba. Sabe pepe eneti. Na me hira obi bia. Na me hira obi bia support you bia. Impokro bi won ma wetimi an support sika o motivation. Bibia o dey support you bia na me hira. Na me hira me bibi. Na the way akoso yi say results na be ban e massive. Sabe pepe eneti. Na me hira obi bia. No mo obi bia ho dey. And then they can message subscribe and share. Say the be am drop video bia. Mo sabe timi akemi. Me da se pa so hwe mi. Makra.